Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. See my curls, as you see, eyes in the twist out still, and we gonna get into this skincare. If you see me in this outfit in a different video, just know I've been trying to produce more content for you, so we're knocking out multiple videos a day, and I'm about to start hitting y'all with videos 3 times a week, so stay tuned. And if you have any ideas or suggestions of what type of content you might want to see, if there's a specific video, like my friend Kiki wants to see a scalp scrub video, and it's coming. Kiki, I promise I did not forget about you. If you have any requests, just let me know and I will see if I can do it, okay? So today we're doing my favorite ever mud mask. This mud mask you can find at Amazon. You can go to the beauty supply store and find this mud mask. We are talking about bentonite clay, y'all. Bentonite clay, Aztec healing clay. Either way, it's bentonite and we love it. Bentonite clay is an amazing ingredient. Bentonite itself is just an amazing ingredient. It targets on purifying. It targets on purifying and tightening them pores of yours. So I like to use bentonite clay, one, to help detox and purify my skin. I also like to use it to help control my eczema and my rashes because I honestly need to go to another food allergist. Another story for another day, but I have eczema rashes, and then I also get random food reactions with eczema. So whenever that's happening and I'm covered, or also on my period, I'm covered in eczema. I don't like my hormones, I guess, trigger it around that time. But whenever I'm covered on my face, I do a face mask. I do a bentonite clay mask because bentonite clay does amazing things for your skin. It has healing properties. Oh wait, I've made a list. Give me a sec. All the amazing things about bentonite clay. Just so you know, it removes toxins. It helps control your oil. It is a oily girl's dream. Mud masks are amazing for oily girls. Like if you have combination of oily skin, I suggest incorporating mud mask as part of your routine because it's going to help control that oil after a while. Calms down your breakouts. It controls sebum. Sebum is what clogs your pores and gives you pimples. Controls oil, guys. Sebum is the oil that your skin and your hair produce. It shrinks and cleans those pores because once it gets the sebum out, your pores are able to be nice, tight, and cute again. And then it also helps with cell regeneration. So it's going to help your skin, show that glowy layer of skin quick. If you have dead skin, it's going to help get rid of that dead skin. And it's going to help with hyperpigmentation. And we love things that help with dark spots on this channel. But if you're not wearing sunscreen, you're not helping yourself, okay? I can give you all these tips about hyperpigmentation, but if you don't wear sunscreen, I don't want to hear it. But yeah, that is just a few things that bentonite clay does. Yes, you can use it in your hair, but today we are just talking about the amazing things for your face. I'm going to share my recipe. I'm going to show you guys how to do it, what I use specifically for me and my family and my household. Chill. And yeah, and I'm going to tell you guys a little bit more about bentonite clay, why it's so amazing, specifically the things that I use to make it even more amazing. And I just hope you guys enjoy this video. All right, I have been rapping, so let's get this thing started. Okay, so we are starting with our Aztec Indian healing clay. I use apple cider vinegar. You can also substitute the vinegar with water if you have sensitive or dry skin. I have my little stirring thing, or you can use an applicator bottle with a funnel. Both work. Make sure you don't use any metal while you're making this stuff works. So I use 1 tablespoon, not tablespoon, teaspoon, 1 teaspoon of clay. I put that in my bowl, or I'll put it in an applicator bottle. And then I put 2 teaspoons. Sometimes it varies though. Like sometimes I put less, sometimes I put more. We're just going to see how this comes out because you can always adjust it. The thing with the easier thing with the bowl is you can adjust the consistency quicker. So as you see, once you put the teaspoons in, it starts to bubble, and I'm just mixing it up some. Make sure you do not use metal. Metal will basically deactivate the agents that are like active. So I'm adding some of my homemade oil, literally a squirt, just to make it a little more moisturizing. And then I'm going to add some lavender and tea tree essential oil. I use about 5 drops of lavender because I love that smell. And lavender is great for acne. I also use 3 drops of tea tree. It's a really strong scent, and it's pretty strong, like oil, so I don't put a lot of that on my face. But I'm going to mix all that together until it's a nice kind of creamy consistency. And then you see I'm just going to put it on my face. I realized that I couldn't use this spatula eventually, and you're going to see that I switched to a brush. But I literally cover my face and my neck in a nice thick layer of this stuff. And you're going to watch me do that. Now you see, like I'm saying, I'm going to be careful of not pressing the metal with my brush. That's why I wasn't using it at first, because it had metal on it. But I used it. My face still felt like it was working. So the benefits of lavender on your face is it definitely helps with acne because it's an antifungal. It helps soothe your skin. It's also anti-inflammatory, which will also help get the redness out. It's going to help detox and heal your skin, and it also helps prevent wrinkles. And tea tree is great for oil control, and it has honestly most of the same benefits as lavender. And it's also a great oil for dry skin. Just make sure when you use essential oils that you are pairing it with a carrier oil. The carrier oil is that squirt bottle that you saw, my homemade DIY oil. That's my carrier oil. Essential oils need a carrier oil when you're putting them on your body, okay? So once I am covered in my face mask, I'm going to let it sit for about 15-20 minutes. I'm going to let it dry forever. So after it's dried, it's been about 20 minutes. You see it's super hard. I could barely move my face. It kind of hurts. So to take this off, you're going to need warm to hot water, however warm you can stand it. And you're going to see that I kind of like just lay it on my face for a bit. I let it soak in, and then I'll start rubbing it off. That helps the clay get wet again, so that it's easier to move off of your skin, so that you're just not rubbing at it and irritating your skin. Because that's the one thing with clay mask, especially this clay mask, like it's clay, guys. It's not like the kitchen ones, you know, like, no, this is clay. So not the kitchen ones. I mean like the store brand ones. The store brand ones are a lot easier to remove. This one you have to take your time with, but it's so worth it. So you see I'm just literally taking my time going piece by piece with my face, making sure I get everywhere. Because you like the worst thing, after you think you got all of it off and you're ready to put on your serums, or you already start putting on your serums, you see clay on your face. Like, that's the most annoying thing. So you're just going to see it does take a little bit of a while, but if you do it this way, it doesn't take too long. But if you do it the rubbing at it section by section, you're going to be at it forever, and your face is going to be irritated and red afterwards. So once I get it all off, my skin, like I thought I was geeking in the mirror, but no, my skin looked really clear after this. I really think it tightened my pores. This is the first time I really used it at the beginning of the day, and I really think I could see the benefits towards the beginning of the day. I just love those masks because it really helps give your face a hard reset. It helps you absorb your products better when you put your serums in your skin. Your serums literally soak right in as soon as you finish one of these masks. So I'm just closing my pores with some cold water. And you see I switched washcloths after this because it's a lot. Like, clay masks be on my washcloths forever. So yeah, that's my skin. It looks great. My pores do not look open at all. My pores are usually pretty enlarged. So yeah. All right, guys. So that is how I do my Bentonite clay mask. Yesterday's mask was so refreshing. Like, I have no idea why it was so refreshing, but yesterday's mask was needed. I could immediately see my pores tighten, and that's the first time I've ever seen that. Like, I have pretty enlarged pores, and I could literally see my pores like were tightened after I did that mask. I did it in the morning, so like, it varies when I do my mud mask. You can do a mud mask at the beginning of your day or at the end of your day. You know, it doesn't really matter. I do it to calm down. Sometimes if I have a chill morning and I have nothing to do, I'm gonna throw one on too. But yeah, I think this is an amazing way to get your skincare journey started. Bentonite clay is easy. I will say, if you have sensitive skin, worse than mine, and if you do have dry skin as well, I would take this tip into consideration when you do want to try Bentonite clay. Try water. You don't have to use apple cider vinegar. Hopefully I covered that in my voiceover, but just in case I didn't, you do not have to use apple cider vinegar. You can use water. My sister can't use apple cider vinegar. It burns her face. She has extremely dry skin, extremely sensitive skin, so she can't do that. Not saying she all dry and crusty. I'm just giving you guys her skin type anyways, but she can't do that. Because I had her do it one time and her face was on fire. So just know I'm not an esthetician. These are my tips that I'm giving you guys and adapted for your skin type because you know your skin the best. All right. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoy learning about your skin and how you can make yourself glow. If you like this type of content, please subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to get to 100 subscribers. I am close. I am this close to 100 subscribers. So let's just keep going so we can get there, guys. Please make sure you like this video, you turn your notification bell on, and you comment down below what you want to see. Or if you just like mud mask, say, hey, mud mask, we out here, you know. And make sure you're following me on Instagram. My Instagram is See My Curls with 2 Z's at the end. All right, y'all. It's also in the description box. I will see you guys in the next video. And remember, stay blessed. Amen.